This is an empty glass pickle jar I had at home. I'm going to make a vase out of it, but not the way you might think. I'm going to make a holder out of cardboard for this vase, and this holder is also going to be the part of the vase. I use these measurements to make the holder. This is the template of the holder I made using the measurements. I drew the shape freehand, but if you don't like it, you can just cut it straight down. This is the way the holder will hold the vase, but as you can see, it cannot stand on just two legs, so I need to make two more legs for it. For that, I drew the line right in the center of this template and then drew the leg as shown. You might wonder whether this is a vase DIY or a vase holder DIY, but trust me, for this project the vase and a vase holder together make a vase, and the results are amazing. As you can see, the arms of the holder are 12-inch wide, so I drew a 12-inch diameter circle. This circle will provide extra support for the vase to stay in place. I made 4 pieces of the main body of the holder and stuck them together. Look how strong of a piece I got. Stuck 3 pieces for each leg. Stuck 4 circles together for the top of the holder. Stuck the legs in the center of the main body and made sure that they are straight and in 90 degrees using the ruler like this. To hide the rough edges on the cardboard, I stuck brown paper strips on them as shown. To decorate the holder, I used air dry clay and silicone mold. If you're liking what you're seeing, please hit the like button for me. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button as well. Right now I kept the jar on the holder, that way I remember to leave some room for the jar while sticking the clay border on this part. After the clay dried, I painted the whole structure with nutmeg brown acrylic paint and highlighted the clay borders with the gold paint. If you don't like the highlights, just leave it as is. To put the vase together, first I fix the jar in place, then I place the top on it, and then I place some flowers in it. By the way, you can also place some real flowers in it. Finally, this is how it looks. Isn't it amazing? I hope you like the idea. See you next time for the last DIY vase of the Trash to Treasure vase series. Bye.